Good morning, people. A little video today about how I prepare my garden beds first thing in the spring. Here we are going beside the garden right now. Sit back and hope you enjoy. Didn't take me all that long to take this from the mess to this. Now I use my brush rake to rake up these piles. And when I do that, there gets to be pebbles in it. I'm going to pick up this stuff and I'm going to attempt to raise up the soil level there beside the biggest currant tree, because even right now there's standing water there beside that cup, you see. So if I can raise this up 6 inches or even a foot, it would be nice. So as I was thinking it over yesterday, I thought about the sugar beets. They grow a foot deep. They need to be spaced at least 8 inches apart. Which means the best place to put them would be in one of these 3 beds or that bed. Now that bed has garlic in it. I do 2 beds of regular beets. So I'll put the sugar beets in there and 2 beds of regular beets. I have 6 varieties of onion, and I was saying when I planted the seeds that I would plant a half a bed of each variety. So that gives me 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. There'll be beans in that one, maybe along with carrots. Rutabaga will be down the end there. Beans, they only need to be separated by 10 feet. So I could put beans in this one, and I could put beans in the far one down there. And that's as far as I've got planned yet. In the past, when I had a bed with a lot of weeds in it like this, I fluffed it up with the digging fork, just loosen up the soil. But with these gloves, I might not have to do that. See, this is why I would fluff it up. No, I'm going to have to, because the taproot on that goes down a long ways. So I take my fork, the soil is not heavy, but those taproots can still stick in there. Do the entire bed first. but I have to come back the other side. Your pick. That over there. Now I'll get the full long route. See, one of those was what broke off before. This is lamb sorrel. I could make a salad out of that. Maybe next week there'll be a couple more greens that I can make a total wild salad out of. Lots of worms around. Now, I take my brush rake and I'll smooth this out again. And the next step is to sift out compost. We're into her. bone. I have a bunch of sifted compost now. I think it's enough. Smooth out again. And I do that 30 more times and the garden is ready to be planted in. So now I have 4 beds done actually, and the onions planted out. I'll tell you about that either in the next video or the video after. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more gardening in Newfoundland and the Boreal Forest, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.